How to lose 10 pounds in a month. Is it really possible? Or is it just another clickbait promise? Let me tell you right now, it is 100% possible, but it's not magic. It's science. And today, I'm giving you the exact, no-nonsense blueprint. If you're tired of starting a diet on Monday and quitting by Wednesday, if you're confused about what to actually eat, and you want to see real results in the next 30 days, then you are in the right place. Because this video is the plan you've been searching for. We're going to cover the two non-negotiable pillars, the food and the movement. And I'm going to share the exact foods that will melt fat and the exercises that will speed up the entire process. This is not a starve yourself plan. This is a get smart plan. Are you ready? You've heard the phrase, you can't outrun a bad diet, and it is the absolute truth. Weight loss is 80% nutrition. To lose 10 pounds in 30 days, you must be in a calorie deficit. But calorie deficit doesn't have to mean hungry. The secret is eating the right foods, foods that are high in nutrients and high in satiety, which is the feeling of being full. If you focus your meals on these foods, you will naturally eat less and feel more satisfied. So, get your notepad ready. These are the best foods for rapid, healthy weight loss. First, and most importantly, lean protein. Second, fibrous vegetables. Third, healthy fats. And finally, energy-smart carbs. And the final rule for food? Stop drinking your calories. Sodas, juices, sugary lattes, they are all metabolic bombs. Switch to water, black coffee, or green tea. This one change alone can skyrocket your results. Okay, we've got the diet dialed in. Now, let's accelerate those results. We need a two-part exercise plan. Cardio for the calorie burn and resistance for the metabolism boost. First, cardio. Don't forget to get your resistance bands in the description area of this video on zero. But now, for the most important part, resistance training. This is the single biggest mistake people make. They only do cardio. When you lose weight from diet and cardio alone, you lose fat, but you also lose precious muscle. Why does muscle matter? Muscle burns calories even when you're sitting on the sofa. The more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism, making it easier to lose weight and keep it off. You don't need a bulky, expensive home gym. Honestly, one of the best, most effective, and most affordable tools you can use right from your living room is a good set of resistance bands. Check out the description area. These are incredible. They are perfect for women who want to build that lean, toned look without heavy weights. You can get a full-body workout, and the progressive resistance is amazing for targeting your glutes, arms, and core. You need to be doing these exercises 3 times a week. This combination of cardio and resistance training is the 1-2 punch that will completely transform your body in 30 days. And because I know how powerful these are, I've put a link in the description to the exact set of durable, high-quality resistance bands that I recommend for women. If you're serious about this 30-day plan, they are a game changer. So how do you lose 10 pounds in a month? There's the plan. It's not magic, it's a blueprint. It's simple, but it's not easy. It takes commitment. But 30 days of focus is all you need to see a massive change. You can do this. The next 30 days are going to pass anyway. You might as well show up at the end of them 10 pounds lighter, feeling stronger, and building unstoppable momentum. Your first step is to commit. Your second step is to get the tools you need. Check out the resistance bands I linked in the description to get started with your resistance training today. If this video was helpful, hit that subscribe button because I'm sharing practical, no-nonsense tips every single week. And my question for you, what is your single biggest weight loss goal for the next 30 days? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Now, let's go get those results. God bless your weight loss journey.